Hi, I'm Dan.
Hi, I'm Lauren.
We're GSU students, just like you, and we've made this video to teach you how to cite sources. Failure to cite can mean failure to pass, if you know what I mean.
So what do you mean when you say cite my sources?
According to Wikipedia, a citation is a reference to a published or unpublished source. Of course, many professors will not want you to cite Wikipedia, but it's an okay place to get started.
So, whenever you are referencing or using work that belongs to someone else, you want to give them credit, and that's called citing. Is that what you did at the end of the sentence, in the paragraph?
Yes, it is. It used to be you only had to worry about citing other documents like books, magazines, or newspapers. Nowadays, you need to cite websites, videos, blogs, and other media. Information comes from everywhere, but that doesn't mean that every place is an appropriate source of information.
Well, there are many ways to cite a work. We're going to focus on the two most common ways in this video, APA and MLA. Your professor will let you know which one you should use for your assignment.
Can you show me how I would cite something in a paper?
Sure. Here's a paper on video games using APA style. The writer is talking about pro-social gaming and referenced some ideas from this author. This entry shows up here, at the end of the sentence to show where he got the idea. Then, if you flip to the bibliography, you'll see a list of all the different references in the paper. Here's the one on pro-social gaming.
Cool. So if I were referencing a movie, I would put a citation in the same way I would for a book?
The style of citation might differ, but you'll definitely cite movies, web pages, a song, basically anything you're taking information from. But the question remains, why do we cite at all?
By citing another work, we are showing that we've done the research to find out what others have said about a particular subject. It's an important part of showing that you've done your homework and you know your subject.
If I'm doing a video assignment or presentation, do I include citations in the same way?
Yes. You have footage or slide at the end of your video or presentation where you show your sources. It's just like a bibliography you do in a paper.
You know, it's a lot of work just to write a paper. Are there any tools that can help me keep track of my sources and put them into my bibliography?
Definitely. As a GSU student, you have access to two possibilities. First is a product called EndNote. EndNote allows you to collect all your sources in a database, apply citations in your paper, and generate a bibliography. As a GSU student, you can download a copy for free.
You could also use Zotero. Zotero is a free Firefox plugin that allows you to do the same thing as EndNote through the web browser. Since so much research is done through the internet, this is a great choice. But I'm not the most technologically savvy person. Who can teach me this software?
You can attend a workshop on Zotero or EndNote at the library.
In addition to the library, you can get help at the GSU Writing Center.
One more question. When you're citing something, does the source have to be reliable? I mean, you use Wikipedia. I'm just saying.
You know, that's a good point. While Wikipedia is a good place to start, very few professors would consider that a legitimate source. So while you want to cite your sources, you always want to be sure they're a legitimate source.
Like me.
Yeah, just like you.